President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Palei hagasni Palei ula Kynnoh ba National General Secretary ka National People's Party but Symbud Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ba Sniawbhalang Dhar uday Nongaiktien jong ka Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh but ka Bharatiya Janata Party. Ba Palei ula kren yakani ba kynthoh tyngeh ka jingong ba Sniawbha ba ka Congress kan sesha penja kretension ha Meghalaya hadin ka Jylla yaso ki laingut ki MLA-Bah Gabriel Wahlang MLA ka Nongaiktien, Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh MLA ka Umsning, but Bah Charles Marngar MLA ka Mauhati siya ka NPP. Ula Kynnoh ru ba Sniawbhalang udan menta hapadeng ka jingsha pej perman haga CBI. Haba pintip bah ka port baulang MP ki CBI lawan pan jingtip na halor ba Sniawbhalang.
Dhar is a spokesperson of the RSS. The RSS, wherever they are, the BJP, wherever they are, their voice is Congress or India Mukh Bharat. Whatever you say, Congress Mukh Bharat or something. Meghalaya Mukh Bharat. So he's Sniawbhalang Dhar has to voice. Congress Mukh has to voice. Otherwise, they know all illegalities from drugs, coal to anything, all done by Sniawbhalang and company. So the CBI, I was an MP, I know. They used to come to me and ask for feedback, intelligence, this. All their files are in the table. At time will come, then you'll see that who is Sniawbhalang. I'll tell you, the history will tell who is Palei, who is Sniawbhalang. The history will tell when these people will be in a certain. You have seen many of the people are in jail, be it Kejriwal, be it any party, any chief minister, any ex-chief minister, any ministers. The records which they put, one day they'll land in problem. Today they have to speak the voice of the BJP, otherwise they'll be finished by the BJP. So the voice of Sniawbhalang is 100% the voice of the BJP, the voice of the RS. The people of Meghalaya should know who is he. He has been exposed by his statement. He has been used by the BJP. He has been used by the RSS.